All plastic are not the same. They are different physically and chemically. Even a bottle of plastic Coke has 3 types of plastic in it. Bottle cap is made up of HDPE plastic, body of PET, and label is PVC plastic. Let's find out more about plastic. Plastic are available in a variety of forms and is classified from 1 to 7, which you can easily see printed in all plastic products. They have unique properties, varying chemical composition, recyclability, and uses. Let's see some of the products that are made from plastic type 1 to 7. Plastic 1 is polyethylene terephthalate, which are mainly used in bottles, packaging, and in polyester textiles. Plastic 2 is high-density polyethylene, used in a wide variety of applications, including milk jugs, shampoo and detergent bottles, and pipes. Plastic 3 is polyvinyl chloride, commonly used for electric wire insulation, pipes, and in flooring. Plastic 4 is low-density polyethylene, primarily used for grocery bags, wraps, and skis bottles. Plastic 5 is polypropylene, commonly used in medical items like syringe and used extensively for kitchen containers. Plastic 6 is polystyrene, commonly used for easy takeaway cups and plates and for packaging and for insulation. Plastic 7 is other, which includes all types of plastic other than 1 to 6. This includes plastics like polycarbonate, nylon, fiberglass, acrylic products. Our life without plastic is almost unimaginable now, plastic being a cheap, light, and robust material. The main problem of plastic is its biodegradability, and thus it accumulates mostly in landfills and in ocean. Plastic can, however, be reused and recycled. Even then, some category of plastic can only be recycled. Some are less recyclable and some are more recyclable. Plastic has made our lives more convenient. What are your thoughts on plastic? Can we replace it with eco-friendly alternatives? Comment below to let us know.